Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. We have found a piece of art that has brought beauty and charm to my dining room and is also a personalized conversation piece to share with my guests. This beautiful personalized pushpin map from HolyCowCanvas is my family's favorite art piece in our house. To say that we're impressed by the quality is an understatement. From its beautiful customized frame to its durable color-coordinated pushpins, this map is going to leave you speechless. My family and I loved that we were able to pick the colors of the pushpins and also the personalized quote. We even had the option of putting our names on the map. This map has such good detail. We were able to find the small city that we live in, and we were surprised to find the towns that we were born in as well as the big cities. This map comes in several different sizes and so many ways to personalize it. Your family's going to love not only marking the places that you've been, but also the places you plan to visit. This was very easy to hang right out of the box. There was no assembly required. We simply hung it on the wall and had a blast reminiscing about all of the past vacations we've had and dreaming about future ones to come. Looking at all these tiny towns on this map makes me realize that there's so much more that I want to see and experience with the people that I love. So if you're looking for a way to commemorate all of the amazing places you've seen in the U.S. in a beautiful and timeless way, then I think you're going to love this pushpin map from HolyCowCanvas. And that's my point of view.